So mayong buntag mga bagsik no of class 2005 akong gi-accept ang challenge sa akong classmate nya karong adlaw akong sugdan. This is the maron ang ikawalong adlaw sa buwan sa September, mo guro ng adlaw sa pag-take out namo no. So this is ika 19th year sa among public service no. So kung sugdan 19 push up. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1 for class 26, 1 for class 27, 1 for class 28, 1 for class 29, and 1 for the fallen mag-6, and 1 for all. Day 1 challenge accepted. Day 1 for challenge accepted.